Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this particular wireless earbud, which is called the F71 wireless earphones. A huge shout out to SZY-Earbuds for sending me this F71 to actually test and review. Alright, so without further ado, let's head into the website and see what is it all about. Alright, so this is the main website of the SZY-Earbuds. We are actually on the page showing the information of the F71 wireless earphones. And in the website, it is actually mentioned that it actually has a long battery life. The product itself is going for around $19 US. So there's some of the pictures here. This is the first picture, is showing the product itself, which is identical to what is on the front of the box. Next picture is actually talking about the battery life, whereby it can go for about 20 hours with the casing itself. The earbuds can go for 4 to 5 hours, and the case is actually able to provide about 4 charges to both earbuds, and it has a standby of what, 350 hours. That's around, I think, 15 days. Next one, it has AP charging port for fast charging, LED light on the front. So it's available in black color and white color. Not too sure what's the color I have. I think there's a sticker here which indicates it's actually black color. Okay, let's look at the information on the right of the page. Below the pricing, it uses Bluetooth 5.0. The processing chip itself is actually JL6973. The earbuds battery is around 30 milliamp, and the charging case battery is 300 milliamp. Charging time is about 1 hour. Just lightning port. Oh, it uses lightning port and not USB-C port. Okay, it uses lightning port. So let's go down further. See if there's any other information. It's all the same. How about additional information? Nothing much. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing of the F71, shall we? Okay, let's get into it. So on the packaging itself, it says F71 HD sound. There's some logo below it. This is probably a microphone. Maybe just look like a feather. Maybe for lightweight. Ear for listening, and this is for phone call. Phone logo, be joy, be fun. Hi-fi, live design for wireless earphones. Product name, at the back there's some information. Looks like it's repeating what was mentioned on the website. Product name again, top nothing, bottom nothing. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so once you open up the box, the first thing you see is actually the product itself here in a semi-transparent plastic wrapping, and then you have this very thick, very dense foam. Next, you have a plastic divider, you have a cardboard divider, and below that you have USB-A to, I think, Lightning. Yeah, this is Lightning. QC Pass certificate, and then you have the user manual. English at the front and Chinese at the back. Okay, so when you get the F71, so this is exactly what you get. Now let's put everything aside and we go into the main thing. So let's take it out from its plastic wrapping. It's matte finishing, pretty boxy design, a bit round along the edges. There's no logo. Slit here to divide the lid and the rest of the body. This one is probably the LED light. At the bottom, you see the lightning port. At the back, you see the hinge here. It's shiny, a bit brushed. Let's open up the lid. And then the LED light at the front will actually light up. It reminds me of like a pocket lighter, you know. There's actually no spring in the hinge itself, so it's not able to hold the lid at any angle. You have to open up it to the max to get to the earphones. So let's take out the earphones. So you can see here it has a very long stem, and it's very shiny black, same as the case, but it's shiny treatment compared to the case, which is actually matte. At the top of the stem, you see that this part is actually slanted. This is actually where the touch control are, right? When you turn around the head, this is where the driver, the sound will be coming out, and this one is actually not too sure what it's for. Maybe it's to, again, for noise cancellation. At the bottom here, this is a microphone to capture the voice when we're actually talking, and then this silver ring, you see, this is the pogo pin to be connected with the casing so they can actually start charging. Cover from where the music is coming from. One thing I take note about the earphone is that it looks very similar to the AirPods 2. Let's put the earphones back into the case and we try to charge it up, and we see what happens when we charge up the case. Alright fellas, so what I have me now is actually a lightning cable. Let's pop it in and see what happens. Okay, so when you plug in the lightning port, the lightning cable into the casing, the LED light on the front will actually light up. After a while, it will go blank. Let's see what happened again. Okay, you see? Earphones, nothing. Alright, so in this segment, we're going to be doing the Bluetooth pairing for the F71 wireless earbud. So here is the F71 and this is my Oppo Find X3. I have actually opened up the Bluetooth here, as you can see. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the lid and we're going to see whether it's fast pairing feature built in. Open up the lid. Currently searching. Let's refresh it again. Oh, there it is. Right, it just takes a few seconds for it to scan. Tap on it. Press allow, pair it, and it's paired. Alright. Okay, so once it's paired, you will see here it's written in use for calls and media playback, battery life at 100%. Let's take out both earbuds. Let's tap on the eye, and you'll see that there's a few options. It's a device name, disconnect, unpair. You also see other options such as you can use it for phone calls, media, input device, contact sharing. Alright. Right, in the next segment, we're going to be testing out the controls. Alright, so this is the left earbud. Right, so you can see here, this is actually where the touch control are. This is the right earbud. Right, so there's a voice saying power off. Alright, so it's already power on. Controls are all working. Next, we're going to be testing out the audio output of the earbuds. Alright, so I'm going to be wearing both earbuds and I'm going to be testing out the audio. So let's see what's the volume level now. It's around like 50. Okay, so now it's actually pop lost and pop mage. In the mood, not bad. I can still hear my own. Right. Okay, let's try another music. Let's try another playlist. We're going to be trying some EDMs now. try it from the beginning. Alright. Let's see. This is it called The Name of Love. Right. Let's try the second song. It's Señorita. Not bad. Okay, let's try something that is a bit more bassy. Right. No, not bad. It's not bad. Vocals are very clear. Unboxing, and then I went up to test the controls. It's very nice, very responsive. You can power on, you can power off. You can even activate the voice control on the Android phone. It will do likewise for iPhone as well. Music wise, the audio output from the sound quality, yeah, so far that's my first impression. There's not much bass to talk about unless it's really very heavy, then you will hear it coming out from the earphones. All right. Other than that, I'll be testing these earphones for the next couple of days and weeks to see how it really performs on the day-to-day basis. All right, so if you wish to check it out, do stay tuned to my channel, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for it all today. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.